so I'm helping my little cousin make some money on Amazon, right? And he quickly fell into the same trap that I see so many people fall into. Because keep in mind, guys, I talk to so many people about selling on Amazon, whether they're clients or not, people who just want to get into the business model. But I talk to so many people every single day. So I'm able to see like what's going on with people, right? When are people probably gonna make it, and when are people only gonna make it if they make some serious changes? But anyways, my little cousin, he's like, everything's gated. I'm trying really hard, this and that. It's not, pretty much his self-talk is just getting away from him completely. So then when we dive into what's actually going on, my man's barely doing any work. He's like, yeah, well, I've been slacking on sourcing and I've been this and I've been that. Guys, you cannot get upset about the results you're not getting from the work that you're not doing. It doesn't work like that. You have to be able to distinguish what is fact, what is actual facts. How much work am I actually putting in? How much am I actually showing up? How many hours am I actually working on this thing that I'm claiming that I want? And you have to be able to distinguish from that and just this illusion that your mind is creating to convince you to stop, like it always does. Because chances are, just like me, just like everybody else, you've tried 1,000 times, and for some reason you always end up stopping. So as soon as you're gonna break through to actually make some progress, your brain convinces you to just take a step back, right? So you always have to be able to keep your self-talk in check. If not, and your mind completely gets away from you, you're gonna end up just with the same results as everybody else, which are pretty much non-existent. So anyways, we got him dialed in. He just found his first product. And as soon as he did, he's like, hey man, I've been finding so many things that are ungated. And it's because we were able to distinguish what is actual facts. Facts, you're not doing the work. And what is the illusion? You're convincing yourself that you're doing the work when you're actually not. So when you convince yourself that you're actually doing the work when you're really not, you're able to create all of these stories in your head, which are preventing you from actually getting results. A big part of being able to build a business, achieve the goal that you want, is you have to be honest with yourself. Be 100% completely and utterly honest with yourself about what am I actually doing every single day.